Hello, this is Dutt Parekh and hope you are doing well in your life. So, this is me sharing my journey. Have you ever wondered how a library actually works? From the past few months, I've been working in the library as a student assistant, and I learned how every single book has its own unique call number, how it's tracked in the system, and how it has a precise place on the shelf. I started thinking about that system. I thought about the thousands of books, all are neatly organized, well maintained, and waiting for someone to learn from it. And then it hit me. Life is library. Every experience, every skill, every mistake, it's like a book with its own unique call number. The good ones, the bad ones, the easy ones, the harder ones. They all are waiting for us to find them, learn from them, and put them where they belong. And so I've decided to stop being a passive reader of my own life and decided to take the charge and become the CEO of my own life. A good CEO needs a strong team and a clear structure. So far, I've divided my company, or say my life, in four major departments or say dimension: physical life, professional life, personal life, and spiritual life. And just like a real CEO, I need both secretary and board members. So, as a secretary, I appointed the Notion. I'll brief you this regarding later. But it's basically where I track everything. And my board directors would be, they are the greatest thinkers, the mentors throughout the history. I learn from them through books, podcasts, and documentaries. Their wisdom guides my decision and shapes the vision of my company, or say my life. The bi-weekly board meeting, here's where the plan becomes real. Every 2 weeks, I hold a bi-weekly board meeting with myself, but there's the twist. I don't tell you what I'm going to do next week. Instead, I just open the envelope which hold my last 2 weeks goals, and I'll discuss that what difficulties I faced and what mindset it takes me to overcome that. For example, let's my first goal might be to read something about Six Sigma, that's professional. Do meditate for 5 minutes, that's spiritual. Call someone, that's personal. And going for a walk for a 30 minutes, that's physical. So likewise I'll do. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be organized, or say accountable. This system forces me to learn, to reflect, and to grow intentionally. It's my way of making sure that the library of my life isn't just the jumble of random books, it's the collection of wisdom. Till now, I've realized that the purpose of life is to become the fullest version of yourself. In the battlefield of life, you must be both Krishna and Arjun, your own guide and your own warrior. Every single day, you have to take the reins yourself and fight the battle, fight the Mahabharata of your own life. And as in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita said, Uddared Atmana Atmanam, Na Atmanam Avasadayet, Atmeva Hyatmano Bandur, Atmeva Ripura Atmanaha. That means, lift yourself by yourself. Do not let yourself fall. You are your own best friend and your own worst enemy. Or in simple words, how can I lift myself by my shoelace? The answer is, that is the only way. See you in the next board meeting. Till then. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Ram.
मैं झूलो देवा मैं सदके